Everybody's talking about crypto, but one question that I ask myself is after I bought my crypto and it's sitting, only way I can earn money is by appreciation. So the question is, how can I earn money on my crypto while it's sitting? Tune into this video to find out 4 ways in which you could earn some money on your crypto by doing nothing. While some of these brokers have a prerequisite in terms of number of followers either for your social media page, your website, or your YouTube page in order for you to join their affiliate program. I have a list of apps that I am going through currently to see which one of these brokers ticks off all the boxes for my liking. But for apps like Coinbase, the sky is the limit because when you sign up, both you and your friend gets $10 of Bitcoin when you sign up with $100 or more on this crypto wallet. Unlike Kraken now, where you have to apply and then they have to vet your application to see if you're a proper fit for their affiliate program. Then you have cex.io where you just apply for free. It doesn't matter your subscriber count, your follower count, or your website traffic, just as long as you take their link and put it on your platform and somebody is referred, then you will get up to 30% of commission fees that person spends. If you are living in the US and you want to sign up to buy crypto, just click on my Coinbase link down below. It's better if you are living in the US because you have less hoops to jump through to sign up. If you're Jamaican, we all know the struggle it ever hard. But if you're overseas and you want to sign up, just click on my Coinbase link down below in the description so we both can get $10 of Bitcoin. On to point number 2, and that is BlockFi. Even though it's working slowly for me right now, the potential is great. So BlockFi is a financial service company located in the United States, and it basically gives you interest on your crypto up to 8.6%. And it works like this. You buy Bitcoin or you buy Ethereum, or it depends on the list of cryptocurrencies that they acknowledge. And when you store them on their website, you basically get interest similar to a bank account. So it's like a savings account for your cryptocurrency. By looking at BlockFi, it makes a lot of sense. Instead of having your crypto just waiting for capital appreciation or just waiting on Elon Musk to dump $1.5 billion into the market, you can have your crypto sitting while gaining money. You gain interest on your crypto. However, BlockFi offers various interest rates depending on the cryptocurrency that you deposit with them. So keep that in mind by checking on their interest rate page on the website before lodging or storing your cryptocurrency of choice. And the reason that they can give you interest is basically they're operating as a bank. They loan this money out, and then whoever is paying back this loan pays interest, and that interest is then passed on to you, the person who is basically lending them the money. So they're working just like a bank. Making money with BlockFi is simple because you make money while gaining interest. You can also refer a friend, and when that friend funds their account with $100 or more, you both get $10 referral fee. If you are interested in signing up with BlockFi, you can just use my link down below in the description where you can get up to $250 when signing up with BlockFi using my link in the description. Method 3 is going to be crypto mining or Bitcoin mining. So this is the process by using your computer to verify information on the blockchain. And by successfully verifying this information, the miner, which is you, is then rewarded a token or a Bitcoin for their participation, or basically for successfully verifying the information on the blockchain. To take part in crypto mining is easy, however, it is quite expensive because you will need to run your computer for 24 24/7, basically all day, because the blockchain never sleeps and transactions never sleep. That's one of the benefits of using cryptocurrency, is that there is no set transaction time. So for you to verify those blocks of transactions, you would have to be running consistently in order to make some profit. Another down point would be that you would have to have an extremely powerful processing unit, or basically an extremely powerful computer, to handle all those hashing. And hashing is basically the process of quantifying or verifying transactions on the blockchain. In the description, I'll try to find a video going more in depth in explaining what is crypto mining or Bitcoin mining. Our last point, which is number 4, is crypto staking or staking. And this is basically the process of rewarding the operators or the blockchain operators with coins. So when they are in the process of verifying blocks and basically mining for new coins, your coins or already existing coins will be used as a value to reward them for their work. So by you staking your coins, you basically earn staking rewards or interest on your coins. So think of it as a bond. You place your money in a stake and it's basically locked up, or you place your coins in a stake and it's basically locked up for a time period that you set. So in that time period, you cannot use your coins. It is used to pay the node operators for their work or their mining processes. You are then paid a reward or interest on your coin whenever that time is up. That reward or interest is accumulated and you will be cashed out whenever your staking period is up. A website that offers staking is Kraken. Many other brokers do offer staking, but as of my knowledge right now, I only know of Kraken. So go on their website, check out how their staking operation works, check out which coins they offer staking with or staking for. If you are interested more in staking, I will have a video explaining or going more in depth into the process of staking in the description below. Crypto is a growing market, and if you are an investor, you probably heard the term diversify your assets. If you have what it takes and if you have the capital, why not diversify into cryptocurrency? And why not use my links in the description? But guys, thank you for watching. This has been Demetress Fairman, and until next time, happy investing.